Hi, this is Frank Teske with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2021 Scout 215 XSF. As you can see, this is Scout's new coloring, beautiful light blue. You can see the nice lines from Scout as Stephanie pans up the boat. This boat is equipped with a Yamaha 150. As we climb into the boat, you can see it does have a boarding ladder with trim tabs. Stepping into the boat, we did just get a little rainstorm, but at the helm seat you can see you have nice rocket launchers off the back and rocket launchers off the T-top. Cooler, transom seat, 4 rod holders across the transom as well, and a nice live well. Moving up to the helm, nice helm steering wheel, Garmin display with a Fusion stereo system. Let's take this off for you guys. Here's the Lenco trim tabs and your Yamaha gauges. On this side, port side, I'll show you the head, access to the battery switch as well. You can get a porta potty in there. And then moving up is everybody's favorite seat, the forward facing lounger. On a 21-foot boat you typically don't get a seat this size, but Scout has a really nice setup here in the bow. And we even have a lot of storage down below. This could be used as a fish box, a cooler, storage, whatever you prefer. Up here in the bow you have a nice wraparound seating, 2 cup holders up here, anchor locker. Underneath each seat you do have storage as well. What's nice about this is backrests can come out if you're not using them. If you're fishing for the day, you know you're not going to use them, you can put them down below, put them in the storage here. Nice setup here for a cell phone, couple drinks, and there's your speakers. So again guys, this is a 2021 215 Scout. If you want to come to check it out, it's down in MarineMax Brick. Thank you for your time. I'm Frank Teske.